Hi everyone, welcome to Trackplan. In this video, I'm going to talk about assets. An asset can be anything you want, such as a fire extinguisher, machine, a boiler, an air conditioner, or even vehicles. We're in the asset list page, showing a list of all the assets. Here, you can get an overview of some information, such as the name of the asset, the class or category, the status, what site it belongs to, location, if it's compliant based on its planned maintenance, numbers of jobs submitted against this asset, and purchase price of the asset compared against repair costs. Like every other Trackplan grid, you can filter the information showing on the list with the filters at the top, each column, and on the settings on the left. Asset management is really easy with Trackplan. You can upload asset from a spreadsheet on the Upload Center page. We'll give you a template and you just have to follow the simple steps and the instructions. And also by clicking New Asset. Now we're going to go into an asset to see how it looks. We're in the Asset Details tab. Here you can find additional information such as the QR code down here, the install date, warranty expiry date, and you can also set the status of the asset here. You can edit all of these fields by clicking Edit Asset. And you can also add a new job against this asset here in New Job. There are also additional asset properties we can manage moving along these tabs. Going into the Jobs tab now. You can see all the jobs that have been raised for this asset, and you can click on any of these and it will take you to the job. You can also see the status of each job and also the expense against them. On the Plan Schedule tab, you can see all the plan schedules attached to this asset. When the next job is due, the frequency of jobs, you can quickly change. Here's some of this information. You can also add a new schedule. Here you get the option of adding an existing one or creating a new one. On the Documents tab, you can upload and attach documents to the asset, like technical manuals, for example. On the Forms tab, you can see and manage all the forms raised against this asset. You can edit them, view them, complete them, and create a new one by clicking Add Form. On the Asset Attributes tab, you can capture more information here about the asset, building additional fields. You can configure these fields on the main menu in the Asset Attributes. Here you can also find the options of creating new fields and allocate attributes to the assets. Going back to the asset, on the Stock tabs, you can allocate stock against this asset, such as batteries, bulbs, spare parts, and you can differentiate between consumable stocks and maintenance-driven stocks. Getting back to talking about the QR codes, you can scan a code here. And on the main menu, if you go to Asset List, on the three dots, You can print out your QR codes on any label paper to stick them to each corresponding asset. And if you go into the scanned asset report, you can see how often an asset was scanned. Well, that would be all for now. I hope the video was useful and thanks a lot for watching. Bye!